Yes, pry all of that stuff up. That thick stuff is no good for us. I'll patch it nice and thin like it's supposed to be. This floor will be okay. Look at how thick that is. Look, that's all we need is just this. All we need is that much. The thickness of a tile, I don't know why that's so thick. All right, but go ahead. If it comes up, take it up. Over here I can work with. All right, good. Yeah, that's the bad news there. That giant thick ass shit. No way. That's a hell no. Yeah. I don't even think it's floor level, or it looks like dash patch. Okay, things went well today. I chiseled up all that mounds of patch that was there, and I floated in mine. Okay, there's the 2 bags of patch. I need 1 more tomorrow. I'll pick it up. Anyways, we're on the path to righteousness.